Hi, welcome to Heart of the Home. We're here at Meadow Hall in Meadow Event Park, and we're getting ready to play with some great Virginia food. Today, we've got a very old recipe that comes to us from Jamaica, but was very, very popular in Virginia in the colony times. All along the James River, the colonies had great trade with tobacco and pineapple and molasses. So this dish is called Stamp and Go, and it's called Stamp and Go because when you eat it, you want to stamp your foot and go on to get another one. So it's called Stamp and Go. This is salt cod, also known as bacalao. Right? This is usually caught in the North Atlantic, off of Newfoundland, Maine, that kind of area, and then treated with salt. Doesn't need to be refrigerated. It's cured. It's like the ham of the ocean. So I've got a piece cut out here that's thawed out. I keep mine frozen because it's convenient for me. But this is what it's like when I've soaked it to get the salt out of it, right? And then this is what happens when I poach it, right, and get it cooked. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put the codfish in the bottom of this bowl. You see how easy it flakes. That was just poached for a little while. And now I'm going to add some onions. And some flour. And some lightly beaten egg. And some milk. And I'm going to whisk this all together. We've got it. I'm just going to try and make a paste out of this. Get it mashed all in there good. Now I'm going to take some habanero pepper. A little salt. Be careful with the salt though, because the salt cod has got a lot of salt in it already. We try and leach it out before we use it, but it's still got a lot of salt. And some pepper. And this is called annatto oil. It's just olive oil that we've simmered a little bit of annatto seed in. And you can get an annatto seed pretty much anywhere they sell spices. So, and in the Spanish market, you can get the annatto oil itself. It's rich, it's got an interesting flavor, and gives a nice little color to this. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that. You see how red it is. And that goes around. All right. That's done. I'm going to add a little bit of butter, melted. These recipes are available to get the specific amounts. You can go to the Farm Bureau website or to the Chef John Maxwell website, and the recipes are up there along with videos on how to do this. All right, now that this is mixed, I'm going to add some baking powder. And I'm just going to let it sit for a second here and let the baking powder begin to work a little bit. All right, now this is all mixed up. It's nice and smooth. We're ready to go. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in this pan. All right. And put a few of these little fritters in there. And these are going to spread out just a little bit. Baking powder is going to react, cause it to rise just a little bit. And you'll see it doesn't stick. It's starting to be nice golden brown. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right there. So we'll leave the other two to go for a couple of more seconds. All right, turn this off. You see how, I like food that takes a long time to cook. You're sweating out in the kitchen all day. Not. All right, Stamp and Go. In Jamaica, still today, you can get these from vendors on the street. You just walk up, they're frying them off all the time, and you take it, you stamp, and then get out of the way for somebody else to enjoy it. So join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get to play with great Virginia food.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.